Welcome to this special Christmas edition of Toy Train Revue. We'll visit Bob Phillips around the tree layout, the Christmas exhibit at the Chicagoland Lionel Railroad Club, Grandpa Dave's Christmas Carney, Marty Fitzhenry runs exotic and seldom seen trains on his multi-level layout, Joe Stackler covers the bells of Lionel, gingerbread houses and Lionel trains are the stars of the Christmas exhibit at the Box Factory in St. Joe, Michigan. Plus music by James Coffey, highlights from our original Toy Train Revue 5, and much more. 90 minutes of Christmas, toy trains, and fun.